Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You're watching top trending open source GitHub projects this week, part 2. Today we're unraveling more groundbreaking innovations from the GitHub universe. We'll explore FinGPT, making advanced financial AI accessible to everyone, and HumanLayer, which puts humans firmly in control of powerful AI agents. Plus, meet Open SWE, your autonomous coding teammate. Get ready to dive into projects that are shaping the future of tech.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, FinGPT, democratizing financial AI, fast, open, and adaptive. FinGPT stands out because it brings advanced financial AI models out into the open, offering a powerful, low-cost alternative to closed, expensive solutions. Rather than relying on proprietary systems like Bloomberg GPT, which take months to train and cost millions, FinGPT leverages existing large language models and adapts them efficiently with lightweight fine-tuning, so updates happen in hours and cost under $300. What makes FinGPT unique is its data-centric framework. It automatically gathers, cleans, and curates real-time financial data from dozens of reliable sources, everything from news and filings to social media, to keep models informed and responsive to market shifts. Through thoughtful pre-processing and continuous data flow, FinGPT keeps pace with fast-moving financial trends without needing massive retraining cycles. Another key strength is its use of smart fine-tuning techniques like LoRa, low-rank adaptation, and something called RLSP, reinforcement learning with stock prices. LoRa slashes training costs and complexity by tweaking only thin layers of the model. RLSP, on the other hand, uses actual stock price movements as feedback, so the model learns what financial language matters based on real outcomes. FinGPT also embraces transparency. It's open source and published under the AI for Finance Foundation, a nonprofit hosting public LLMs tailored for finance. Papers and benchmarks are shared openly, ensuring researchers and developers can replicate, extend, and trust the work. Finally, the project isn't just theoretical. It's built for real applications, from robo-advisors and sentiment-based trading signals to low-code tools that let anyone experiment with financial LLMs without starting from scratch. In plain terms, FinGPT is unique because it makes cutting-edge financial AI accessible, affordable, and adaptable, with a focus on real financial data, efficient tuning, and practical use cases, completely open for anyone to explore and build upon.
Before we move to next project, let's introduce today's sponsor, dFans. dFans is 100% AI-friendly and will never ban your account for using AI. That's the headline. If you're a creator who uses AI, this is your safe home. Here's why that matters. On other platforms, one sudden ban can freeze your assets and cut you off from your customers overnight. On dFans, that won't happen. Your account stays safe, your earnings stay accessible, and your audience stays with you. Now, the cool new update. dFans AI chatbot lets you customize its prompt. You control the tone, the style, and the personality. Some people think AI chats feel fake, but with a smart prompt, AI becomes a super assistant that sounds natural and actually sells for you. It can even read images and react. And if you were banned elsewhere, dFans welcomes you. No bans for using AI ever. By the way, the new domain is dfans.co. Check the link in the description and start growing safely with dFans. Okay, let's move to next project.
Project number 2, HumanLayer, empowering AI agents with safe, human-in-the-loop workflows. HumanLayer elevates what AI agents can safely do by putting humans and only humans firmly in control of high-stakes decisions. It's not just another toolkit, it's the bridge that lets autonomous systems operate with confidence while guaranteeing oversight. At its core, it wraps risky actions, like accessing private data or speaking on behalf of a company, with a safety net requiring human approval before proceeding. What truly sets HumanLayer apart is how seamlessly it integrates with the tools developers already love. Whether your project uses Slack, email, Discord, or React embeds, HumanLayer ties them into approval workflows with ease. It's not about replacing your stack, it enhances it, adding layers of control without friction. And because it's built as an API and SDK, you can embed it in Python, TypeScript, or other frameworks, enabling agents to pause and ask for human feedback before executing sensitive tasks. Beyond simple approvals, HumanLayer supports advanced workflows. You can route decisions to different teams, set timeouts or escalations, and even treat a human as a dynamic tool that your agent can call upon for input or verification. This flexibility turns static algorithms into adaptable, dependable systems. Plus, it embraces the future of autonomous AI by ensuring agents can safely operate in the outer loop, initiating actions on their own while still consulting humans for critical decisions. In a world where 90% accuracy isn't enough for mission-critical tasks, HumanLayer guarantees that every high-stakes action is human-validated. Whether it's managing deployments, editing sensitive data, or communicating externally, this tool empowers autonomous agents to work freely, but never unsafely. Project number 3, WhisperLiveKit. Real-time, fully local speech-to-text with speaker identification. WhisperLiveKit is a standout tool because it brings powerful real-time transcription and speaker recognition entirely to your own machine. No internet or cloud services needed. It pairs a ready-to-use backend with a simple browser front-end, so you can start capturing speech directly in your browser and see your words appear on screen almost instantly. What truly sets WhisperLiveKit apart is the combination of performance, accuracy, and privacy. It uses state-of-the-art streaming approaches like Simula streaming, Whisper streaming, and streaming sortformer to deliver ultra-low latency transcription and smart speaker detection. Unlike traditional Whisper models that need full utterances and often struggle with fragmented speech, WhisperLiveKit intelligently buffers and processes audio segments incrementally. This keeps your transcriptions clean, real-time, and contextually accurate. Every phase of processing remains local. Your audio is never exposed to servers or third parties, so your privacy is fully preserved. Plus, it supports multiple users concurrently, making it ideal for group calls or multi-speaker setups. Another advantage is its flexibility. It offers preview of live, unvalidated text that updates as confidence increases, and it can validate high-confidence tokens immediately to speed things up. For users running on macOS, WhisperLiveKit provides an optimized MLX Whisper backend, delivering faster performance on Apple Silicon hardware. In short, WhisperLiveKit stands out by combining instantaneous, accurate speech transcription, distinct speaker diarization, full local processing for privacy, multi-speaker support, live preview with confidence validation, and performance optimization for modern hardware, all wrapped in an easy-to-deploy package that brings real-time voice conversion right into your browser. If you're looking for a powerful, private, and flexible speech tool, WhisperLiveKit delivers on all fronts. Project number 4, Open SWE. Your autonomous, cloud-based coding colleague. Open SWE redefines how coding assistance works by acting not like a basic autocomplete, but like a true teammate working in the cloud, running tasks end-to-end, and fitting into developer workflows with ease. It stands out because it orchestrates complex multi-step coding tasks on your behalf. It reads your repository's context, plans out what needs doing, writes code, tests it, reviews its own output, and ultimately opens a pull request, all autonomously. Every step is tracked through GitHub issues and PRs, so it's like watching another engineer at work. What makes OpenSWE truly unique is its asynchronous, scalable nature. It operates entirely in the cloud, meaning your local machine is free, and you can send it a task and come back later to see the result. It runs each task in a secure sandbox, letting it install packages, run shell commands, and execute tests without risking your environment. You can fire off multiple tasks in parallel, and it handles each one safely and independently. Next, its human-in-the-loop controls give you power, not just automation. After Open SWE generates a plan, you get to review, modify, or approve it before execution. And even while it's running, you can send mid-task feedback like editing specs or redirecting behavior without restarting. This double texting capability means you stay in control, even during long-running operations. Another distinguishing feature is the multi-agent architecture. Open SWE breaks tasks into distinct roles: a manager to coordinate, a planner to research and create the strategy, a programmer to execute it, and a reviewer to test and polish the code before opening the pull request. This separation ensures thoroughness and minimizes broken builds or failed reviews. All of this is built on LangGraph and runs on the LangGraph platform, offering long-running agent orchestration, state persistence, and auto-scaling. It's open source and extensible. Developers can fork it, customize prompts, integrate internal tools, or tailor the agent to their team's stack. At its core, Open SWE is not just a coding assistant. It's an autonomous, collaborative developer that plans, executes, learns, and integrates into your existing GitHub-centric workflow, all while scaling securely in the cloud. Project number 5, Chatterbox, open source, multilingual, emotion-rich voice AI. Chatterbox stands out as a trailblazer in open-source voice generation. It's a production-grade text-to-speech TTS model, licensed under MIT, built on a powerful 0.5 billion parameter llama backbone, and trained with an impressive 500,000 hours of clean voice data, giving it unmatched realism and nuance. What really makes Chatterbox exceptional is its multilingual zero-shot capability. It can generate natural speech in 23 different languages from the get-go, without needing language-specific tuning. On top of that, it offers a unique emotion exaggeration control. You can fine-tune the tone from monotone to dramatic, giving your voices real emotional depth. Latency matters, and Chatterbox delivers. It responds with ultra-low delay, under 200 milliArs, making it perfect for real-time applications like games, agents, or interactive media, keeping conversations feeling fast and natural. Ethics are baked in. Every audio output is embedded with Resemble AI's Perth neural watermark, an imperceptible but traceable marker that helps safeguard against misuse while preserving audio quality, even through editing or compression. How does it stack up against commercial giants? In side-by-side listening tests, Chatterbox was preferred over 11 Labs 63.75% of the time, an incredible feat for an open-source model. In summary, Chatterbox shines because it combines state-of-the-art voice synthesis, broad language coverage, emotion control, real-time speed, and ethical watermarking, all in an open-source package. Whether you aim to bring dynamic characters to life, build voice agents, or scale global voice experiences responsibly, Chatterbox is a uniquely powerful and accessible tool that's rewriting what's possible with synthetic speech. Project number 6, Trivy, a lightning-fast, all-in-one open-source security scanner that's incredibly easy to use. What makes Trivy stand out is how effortlessly it blends development and security. First off, it's incredibly simple and fast. No complicated setup, no extra dependencies, no middleware, no bulky databases. You install the binary, and you're scanning within seconds. Even the very first scan finishes in under 10 seconds, and subsequent scans are almost instant. Then Trivy isn't just for containers. It's a versatile scanner that can inspect container images, local file stibs, Git repositories, Kubernetes clusters, VMs, AWS environments, you name it. And it doesn't stop at vulnerability detection. Trivy catches misconfigurations in infrastructure as code, searches for exposed secrets, analyzes software licenses, generates SBMs, and even produces attestation reports. The breadth of coverage makes it especially powerful. It digs into operating system packages and language-specific dependencies like NPM, Maven, NuGet, Go modules, and more, drawing on multiple vulnerability databases to deliver high accuracy, even on tricky platforms like Alpine Linux and RHEL CentOS. What's more, Trivy has become the default choice for many developers and organizations. It powers GitLab's container scanning, integrates with Harbor, Artifact Hub, and is Red Hat certified. Its ecosystem compatibility is massive. Scan results can be exported as JUnit XML, Serif, AWS security finding format, and it hooks smoothly into GitHub Actions, Kubernetes dashboards, CI/CD pipelines, making it frictionless to adopt. Another unique feature, it can conduct both source code and container scanning, which not all tools offer. It pulls SBOMs, checks licenses, and scans code dependencies, bridging the gap between development and deployment security. In all, Trivy shines because it's fast, broad in scope, simple to adopt, and highly accurate. It supports almost any environment or workflow, delivers numerous kinds of security scanning in one tool, and integrates smoothly into DevSecOps pipelines. That combination of power and ease is what truly sets it apart. Project number 7, Evolution API, a free self-hosted multi-platform messaging hub for small teams. Evolution API is unique because it frees small businesses, freelancers, and startups from expensive messaging tools. It started as a simple WhatsApp controller based on CodeChat and the Bailey's library, but it has evolved into a full messaging hub that works with both WhatsApp Web and Meta's official WhatsApp Business API, and it's completely free to use. This means creators can automate messaging without paying for high-tier platforms, and they maintain full control by self-hosting if they wish. More than just WhatsApp, Evolution API integrates with powerhouse tools like Typebot for building conversational bots, ChatWoot for customer support, Diffie for AI agent triggers, and even OpenAI for AI-powered messaging and audio-to-text conversion. That makes its versatility a real standout. You're not just managing messages, you're building entire communication workflows across platforms. If you prefer simplicity and speed, there's Evolution API Lite, a lean version built for microservices environments. It focuses on core connectivity, skipping the integrations and audio conversions, giving you a lightweight, performance-optimized option. Beyond messaging, Evolution API keeps improving. Recent versions, like v2.2.0, bring features like fake call simulations, interactive buttons, lists, unread message tracking, pusher event support, audio conversion, and more. These allow for real-world use cases, like engaging bots, rich UI interactions, and media messaging, all baked in. Plus, telemetry helps the team refine and improve the API responsibly. Only non-sensitive usage data is collected to guide performance tuning and feature prioritization. In short, what makes Evolution API truly unique is how it delivers a free, versatile, and fully self-hostable messaging platform that scales from simple automation to AI-enhanced cross-platform chat flows. Whether you're looking for full feature power or a lightweight microservice, Evolution API empowers you to build messaging solutions without compromises and keep control firmly in your hands. Project number 8, Apache Airflow, powerful workflow orchestration with code as configuration. Apache Airflow is all about transforming complex workflows into manageable, reliable, and transparent processes using Python. It stands out because it treats workflows as actual code, not hidden configurations, giving you control, flexibility, and clarity. Workflows are defined as directed acyclic graphs, DAGs, which lay out tasks and their dependencies in a way that's easy to understand and visualize. Airflow's design shines in several ways. First, its dynamic pipelines let you generate workflows based on inputs or conditions, perhaps spinning up a DAG per customer or data source, without manually duplicating work. Second, it's extremely extensible. Thousands of pre-built modules, operators, hooks, and sensors for AWS, databases, messaging systems, and more make it simple to connect across diverse environments. And if that's not enough, you can build your own integrations. Another unique feature is its user-friendly UI. From a clear graphical view of workflow structure to live status monitoring, log access, backfill operations, retries, and more, the interface centralizes everything you need for debugging and oversight. Airflow's latest version, 3.0, brings even more advances. It now supports DAG versioning, ensuring that a running workflow isn't disrupted by code updates mid-flight. The interface has been rebuilt with React for faster, modern navigation. It also now supports event-driven workflows, meaning pipelines can respond in real time to external events, not just run on a schedule. Built as an open-source project by Airbnb, Airflow now enjoys a huge community and thriving ecosystem with support from the Apache Software Foundation and key contributors like Astronomer. Its combination of workflow as code, dynamic capabilities, ecosystem breadth, visibility, and modern enhancements make it uniquely suited for orchestrating powerful, scalable, and robust data pipelines. In summary, Apache Airflow is special because it turns orchestration into code, offers immense flexibility via its ecosystem, provides an intuitive monitoring interface, and now supports versioning and real-time triggers. That blend of clarity, control, and capability makes it exceptionally powerful for managing modern data workflows. Project number 9, AeroSpace, a speedy keyboard-first tiling window manager for macOS. AeroSpace reimagines window management on macOS by blending the powerful tiling layout of i3 with a keyboard-focused minimal setup that doesn't sacrifice stability. It brings the efficiency of organizing windows in a tree-based structure, dramatically improving how you navigate and arrange your workspace. Unlike native macOS tools, AeroSpace creates its own virtual workspaces, unlocking smooth workspace switching and better multi-monitor support, without the limitations of macOS spaces. One of the standout advantages is that AeroSpace works without disabling SIP, System Integrity Protection. That means you can enjoy advanced window control without compromising your system's security. It also scales well across multiple monitors and supports practical workflows with no flashy animations. Everything stays focused, fast, and clean. Configurations are managed through plain text files, a delight for keyboard warriors and .files aficionados. The easy-to-read TOML format lets you tailor shortcuts and layouts directly, while fallback defaults keep setup simple and readable. AeroSpace operates through the command line, offering full control with man pages and shell completions available for deeper customization. Recent developments highlight how AeroSpace continues to evolve. A key improvement is the shift to a thread per application model, which keeps the manager responsive even when an application becomes unresponsive. No more system-wide freezes. Plus, it's been upgraded to Swift 6 with strict concurrency, reducing data race risks and enhancing responsiveness. In short, what makes AeroSpace stand out is its blend of secure, performance-oriented text-configurable tiling for macOS. It offers speedy window control, practical layout logic, strong multi-monitor support, and thoughtful architecture, perfect for anyone who values efficiency, control, and minimalism in their desktop environment. Project number 10, Cybersecurity AI, CAI, a bug bounty-ready, open-source framework that makes AI secure testing smarter. Cybersecurity AI stands out because it's not just another toolkit. It's a purpose-built, lightweight, open-source framework that arms security professionals with AI-powered assistance for both offensive and defensive tasks. Whether you're hunting bugs, tackling CTF challenges, or fortifying systems, CAI gives you ready-made building blocks to automate the entire workflow, from vulnerability discovery to mitigation to final reporting, as used by thousands of individuals and organizations already. What really makes CAI unique is its modular, agent-based architecture. Instead of a one-size-fits-all tool, you assemble specialized agents to handle discrete cybersecurity tasks, each with its own reasoning and action cycle for precision and flexibility. Layered on that is the human-in-the-loop HEATL, for human oversight isn't an afterthought, it's baked in. You can interrupt, guide, or adjust at any point, blending AI speed with human judgment for safety and control. Behind the scenes, CAI brings guardrails and traceability into the mix. It defends against prompt injections and harmful commands, and uses Phoenix, an open-source logging and tracing tool for LLMs to offer full visibility over agent decisions and actions. Plus, it supports integration with over 300 AI models, from OpenAI's GPT-4 variants to Claude and DeepSeek, so you pick the best intelligence source for your needs. This isn't just theory. CAI has already proven itself in real-world scenarios, bug bounties, live case studies, hack-the-box CTFs, where it surfaced real vulnerabilities in systems like heat pumps and robot platforms. Its development received backing from the European EIC Accelerator, highlighting its credibility and forward-looking design. In essence, what makes CAI special is its powerful fusion of modular AI agents, human safety frameworks, deep traceability, multi-model flexibility, and real-world verification. It isn't just about scanning systems, it's about building intelligent, secure, and controllable AI collaborators for cybersecurity. And that wraps up part 2 of our journey through this week's top open-source GitHub projects. We've seen how Chatterbox delivers multilingual, emotional voice AI, how Trivy provides lightning-fast, all-in-one security scanning, and how Evolution API offers a free, versatile messaging hub. From workflow orchestration with Apache Airflow to secure cybersecurity testing with Cybersecurity AI CAI, the innovation is truly incredible. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.